So he was searching of a child Kanwar who would look like Kanwar. Then told me, "आपके बाल काटने पड़ेंगे." I was like, what? He was basically trying to manipulate me. Problem. मतलब like transforming from a female to a male.
So what did you feel? What did you think of?
First thing, honestly speaking, when I saw myself, I said, yeah, I still look cute. We got the accurate, male look where we were convinced ki okay. Nobody knows when I went in the character. Even I myself do not. I don't know. Single-handedly had shot this film. He had the belief this time I'm gonna make a film. Coming to cover was like coming to home back. Because everyone is Sindhi and you feel like home where you get Sindhi food. Basically, I don't like shoot ka khana.